Hi guys, Dr. Eilbra here. In this video, we will be talking about how to reduce blood pressure naturally. But before we jump into that, I wanted to share with you all some common questions that I receive in practice. And that is, what is hypertension? Hypertension is another name for high blood pressure. Now, blood pressure is the force that a person's blood exerts against the walls of their blood vessels. 1 in 3 adults have high blood pressure, and if it's left untreated, can lead to heart disease, kidney disease, and stroke. Now, many patients are asymptomatic, which means they don't have any symptoms, but when blood pressure is extremely high, are symptoms such as throbbing headache, shortness of breath, and fatigue present. Now, there are 4 classifications of blood pressure. The first being a normal reading of a systolic less than 120 over a diastolic of less than 80 millimeters of mercury. Now, systolic is the maximum pressure your heart exerts while beating, and diastolic is the amount of pressure in your arteries between beats. Now, the second classification of blood pressure is called Pre-Hypertension Stage. This is a systolic reading of 121 to 139 over a diastolic of 81 to 89 millimeters of mercury. At this stage, lifestyle modifications are recommended to patients, such as physical activity, maintaining a healthy body weight, a healthy diet, smoking cessation, and sodium restriction. Now, the third classification of blood pressure is called Stage 1 hypertension, and this is a systolic reading of 140 to 159 over a diastolic of 90 to 99 millimeters of mercury. At this stage, a doctor prescribes one medication to a patient, either an ACE such as lisinopril or benazepril, or an ARB like losartan, valsartan, or olmesartan. Now, the fourth classification of blood pressure is called Stage 2 hypertension. This is a systolic reading of greater than 160 over a diastolic greater than 100 millimeters of mercury. At this stage, a doctor prescribes an additional medication to the medications that were prescribed to Stage 1, such as a diuretic like hydrochlorothiazide. Now, there are medications that worsen hypertension, those of which include caffeine, alcohol, testosterone, estrogen, pseudoephedrine such as Zyrtec-D, Claritin-D, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatories such as Celebrex, Ibuprofen, Aspirin, Indomethacin, and Etodolac. Now, in terms of supplements and foods that can help lower your blood pressure naturally would be including a fish oil supplement into your diet. 1,000 milligrams a day with your meal can help lower your blood pressure. Magnesium and potassium are great minerals that can be found in coconut water, avocado, and banana that can help regulate your blood pressure. Coenzyme Q10 also works on the heart, and it helps lowering in your blood pressure, so 200 to 300 milligrams a day can help balance your blood pressure. And lastly, my all-time favorite would be celery. Celery juice is great for lowering blood pressure. Celery contains a substance called phthalates, which helps relax the arteries, increase blood flow, and reduce blood pressure. So go ahead and include these supplements and foods into your diet. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.